the babies.
Is your brother reading you a book? That's right. Yes, he is. Okay, start from the beginning.
I will play with the babies. I will play with the babies.
Are you paying attention, Alex? Okay, start it here. Start from the beginning.
To the beginning. To the beginning.
No, 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 Alex, we don't pull hair. Okay, Alex, no thank you.
No, thank you. I don't want that. I don't want that.
Alex, I don't like that. That's what he said. Okay, read it to him.
I want the babies.
Daddies love their babies.
I want the babies. Mommy wants the babies. Oh. That has baby tiny hats. Baby are messy eaters.
Babies are messy eaters.
Babies sleep a lot.
Babies sleep a lot.
Sometimes babies cry.
Sometimes babies cry. Does Alex cry?
No.
Does Alex cry sometimes? Is Alex a messy eater?
No. No. Mommy, I want to go hide and seek.
Oh, you want to play hide and seek? Okay, let me shut this off.